planning a trip to India and you want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees? Then you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Jeremy, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for India in 2025. So I'm going to break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts just in case you're interested. Links are going to be found in the description under this video. So let's dive in. The eSIM provider that I recommend for India is Maya Mobile. If you want high-speed data with the best value, then Maya is a fantastic choice. Their 3 gig plan for 10 days is $9.89. 5 gig is $15.29 and 10 gig is only $21.59. Even for heavy users, Maya offers 20 gig for $36.89 and a full unlimited data plan for just $37.79, valid for 10 days. Everything 5G enabled and activates instantly. Setup is straightforward. You just pick your plan, pay, and you're connected. And with the 10% discount already applied through my link, you're saving even more. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. Now, when you click the link in the description, it's going to take you to Maya's homepage. And from there, you're just going to type India into the destination search bar. You're going to see a list of available plans, and you're just going to choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you're going to see the 10% discount automatically applied on the screen. Now, once you complete the payment, you'll get a QR code instantly. You're just going to scan that with your phone and your eSIM will be activated and ready to use in minutes. Now, if you're someone who prefers app-based management and extended valid dates, then Airalo is worth considering. Their plans start at 1 gig for $4.50, valid for 7 days. Then move to 2 gig for $8, 3 gig for $10.50, 5 gig for $15, 10 gig for $25, 20 gig for $40, all valid 30 days. Airalo also has an unlimited 10-day plan at $35. Now, while these are decent, Maya beats them in price and speed for short-term travelers. Still, Airalo's app is super convenient. You're going to get a QR code instantly, and you can top up or change plans easily. And if you use the link in the description below, you're also going to get a 10% discount. So which one should you choose? Airalo or Maya Mobile? Well, if you want the best overall deal, especially for high-speed data or short trips, Maya Mobile takes the top spot. Pricing is better, activation is immediate, and the unlimited option is unbeatable. But if you're planning a longer stay and you want the flexibility of a top-up app, then Airalo is still a solid option. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in India in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.